Hi everybody! Today I'll show you how to crochet these cute and simple hearts. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Tell me what do you think. You can also support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a magic ring. Chain 2. Make 11 double crochet into the ring. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Skip the chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Insert your hook right here into this space and make one single crochet. Skip one stitch and into the next one make one double crochet. And 6 treble crochet into the same stitch. Go to the next stitch and make 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. And into the next one make one double crochet. The next make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. And the next one right here make 1 triple crochet, chain 1, 1 triple crochet. Into the next one, make 2 double crochet. And here 1 double crochet. Into the next one, 2 triple crochet. Into this one, make 6 triple crochet. And 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Make a slip stitch into the single crochet stitch, the first one right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.